Look, I think homeowners, to put it simply, they just want to eliminate their power bills. They want to get it as low as they can and spend that money elsewhere, going on a holiday or investing it into their own children or their own personal career. So I think when they start talking solar, they can see the return, but what they're looking for as well, they're looking for quality and they're looking for someone that's going to hold their hand for the next 25 years and really be there for them if something goes wrong, so that the investment that's sitting on their roof is working to its full potential at all times. I think that's what they're ultimately looking for. They don't want headaches, and I think that's what's really great about the technology we have today, is it gives you the ability to have a look at consumption versus production and see where your household actually sits and what you're actually using rather than what you thought you were using. And what you're actually creating rather than what you thought you were creating is really, really important for the end user. We'll stay doing what we do best, which is installing good quality solar systems with quality products, with quality experienced solar installers and electricians. We will never ever cut quality out of what we do to give you a better price.